Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word Ablard. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Unfortunately, Ablard does not appear to be a common word in the English language, so there may not be a suitable example sentence to provide. Ablard is not a recognized word in the English language. It could be a typo or misspelling of a different word, as it does not have a defined meaning. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.